I need to give you a couple of quick tutorials, or not really tutorials. I just need to go over a couple of things with you for the questions that are going to be on your 9-week assessment today. There's going to be a question where they give you a function, and it really doesn't matter what the function looks like, but I think it is a quadratic. But anyway, they're going to give you an f of x, a g of x, an h of x, and an equation afterwards. And then they're going to ask you to evaluate it. This is how you do it. You put the function that they give you on one of the lines on your graphing calculator. I have this turned off just because I didn't want you to see the graph, but it's fine if you do see the graph. And then they're going to give you an f with a number in the parentheses. And this number can change. It doesn't matter which number it is. You can, it could be a 3, it could be a 7, 37, it could be 0, it could be -5. Whatever the number is, this number over here is your answer. That means they're taking -5, they're plugging it in right there, and then they're working the problem out. So f of -5 is 69. I think the first one that I had up there was f of 2. F of 2 is equal to 6. So that's how you work that problem. If they give you an equation and they want to know some points that are on that equation, this is an option that you can do. You can insert a table, and I inserted that table by clicking the plus button up here and then selecting table. When I do that, let me show you what that looks like. When I do that table, it automatically comes with an x1, y1. You just simply delete that and put an x right there, and then put whatever the equation is equal to, like 2x plus 3. If I was putting in the equation, I could put in that equation that I have up at the top. I could put in x minus 3 squared. Oh goodness, I'm doing a terrible job. X minus 3 squared plus 5. You put that equation, the y value, whatever y is equal to, you put that over here, and then you just type in points, and it'll automatically calculate the y value. So if you wanted to see if a point is on a graph, and if I go back up and turn that one on right there, you can see that that 0.26 is on that graph. And then you could just keep adding points, 2, 0, and so forth. So anyway, that's how you can do it. There's a question on the test that's going to ask you something about points on an equation, and that's one way you can do it. You could also simply do like I've done right here, write the equation down, and then I'm going to turn that off for a second. Write the equation down, and then just start typing in the ordered pairs. So for this point right here, you can see that this point 1, 4 is not on that line. So I typed the equation in, and then I just typed in the ordered pair. I would know that the ordered pair 1, 4 is not on that line. And then if I wanted to see what point at 1 was on there, then it's actually the 0.15. And if I turn it back on, you can see there's the 0.15. So there's just a couple of things that'll help you out on some of those questions that you'll see on the 9-week assessment today. I hope it helps.